Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkuli Soccer. Breaking news bafethu, Khanyisa Mayo ulimele laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Hey, sithemba ukuthi bafethu, let's just hope ukuthi akusi injury ende ezomkhipha out for some time. It was just sad to see him bamrepha laphana, bamfaka leya plastic bacabanga ukuthi uzobuya. Unfortunately it was just over for him. Kaizer Chiefs bekumele iqede ifinishe igame with 10 men laphana overall, which is not a good thing. Sibabonile ifluidity yabo ivele yastopa. Besicabanga ukuthi ukungena kwamayo kuzochange izinto for iKaizer Chiefs. Unfortunately uthe nje engenile a few minutes walimala umfana, which is not good for iKaizer Chiefs overall, ukuthi ujoyina i-long injury list. I mean, Omako balimele, Dodley, Msimangu, baningi amaplayer angekho laphana uKaizer Chiefs, angekho available even for i-selection. Manje umayo laphana olimele. That's not good for iKaizer Chiefs overall. But ngifuna ukungena ku-match interview ye-coach Kaizer Chiefs, Cedric Kaze bafethu ukuthi utheni laphana interview laphana uCarroll. Uthe kube for bona iviki elinzima kakhulu leli ku-Kaizer Chiefs because of badlala every 3 days. I mean, that's an excuse for yena. Ukuthi udlala every 3 games, every 3 days, it's okay, but bury those opportunities that you get. I mean, kunama moment la i-team ukubonakala ngathi izokora kaningi futhi. I mean, uLilepo uthola ama-opportunity awu-2 namhlanje bafethu. Uthe ngena uVilakazi wamshaya ngephasi elihle kakhulu. Hey, no, it was not that a good moment. Khona lele bekathi uyalibhenda, walishaya kabi lavile le phezulu. Wasmile ukusmile umuntu wakhona. I mean, where is the bravado persona ukuthi uthathe izinto personal isikhathi esiningi in terms of like ukushaya amagoli noma uya phambili. Siqhubeke nge-interview ye-coach eKaizer Chiefs ukuthi itheni zama ukuyithola kahle ukuthi uthini. Uthe i-defense yakhe beyingekho stable laphana, bebavumela ilo iSwelele FC ukuthi iSwelele FC si-attack, si-create ama-opportunities. I think that is why ba-replace u-Inacio Miguel. Nama was surprised ukubabona ba-replace u-Inacio Miguel, but the way I-explaining ngakhona after i-game sengiyawabona ama-reasons wakho ukuthi why ba-make sure ukuthi Inacio Miguel uyaphuma laphana egamini, and then ba-introduce uCross laphana. Yiyo i-decision abayithathile. I think for bona ibasebenzele. Why? Because of they didn't concede. If they conceded, it was gonna be a mess ukuthi ba-replace umuntu only for them to concede amagoli or igoli, but they did not concede at all. Siqhubeke nge-statement sakhe umfowethu laphana ukuthi uthini. Uthe babe nawo ama-opportunities wokuthi bakora, but-ke bahlulekile ukushaya igoli noma amagoli laphana phambili. Uthi-ke he was hoping ukuthi iKaizer Chiefs izothola amagoli. Bawatholile ama-chance njengoba bengishilo bafethu, but-ke bahlulekele bona vele ukukora. Uthi uyathemba ukuthi mhlawumbe bazoza amagoli mebelokhu ba-create ama-opportunities, but i-statement sakhe uphinde waqhubeka laphana wathi-ke ibhola ngeke uli-understand, kusho ukuthi nje i-misery yabo, ngeke uli-understand, kusho ukuthi ibhola linemlingo yalo, you never predict it. But-ke if amajita ayahluleka bafethu ukukora ama-opportunities anje, I mean, that's a big problem overall. But uthe nizwa-ke le statement uthi iSwelele i-team enzima ukuthi ukora against bona. Ushilo ukuthi bona bekumele benze kangcono laphana in terms of like ukulokhu njani ukuthola ama-opportunities noma uku-create ama-opportunities overall. Swelele asikhulumeni iqiniso bafethu, they've been poor emagemini amaningi kakhulu. They've conceded goals. It's not a difficult team to score against. Maybe they were just motivated ukuthi badlala neKaizer Chiefs. That is why defender labo lize lathola ne-man of the match. But this is not a difficult team to score against. Ushilo laphana ukuthi bayastruggle ngempela ukukora. Yeah, ayiziyakhala bafethu, ayiziyakhala laphana kuKaizer Chiefs. If like ngizokhala ngendaba eyi-1 namanje ku-conference conference laphana eNaturena open day la bekunama-journalist ukhulume nga-same thing bafethu, scoring goals. Nami kuwo wonke ama-clip ngihlezi ngiba-quote lapho ukuthi into eyodwa, like bakhuluma into eyodwa kuwo wonke ama-conference. So nathi sophindana nento eyodwa la silokhu sisho ukuthi abantu bayahluleka. But I wanna touch kancane kuplayer elifana no-Igataro. Igataro bafethu sibonisile ama-glimpse of i-hope laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Sikhumbule ukuthi u-Igataro ugcina ukudlala ngoMay bafethu. Yena noVelebayi bagcina ukudlala ngoMay, meaning uthi uVelebayi una-5 months angadlali, u-Igataro una-5 months angadlali, but u-Igataro ukwazile ukuqala igame. Yes, u-Igataro ube ne-good game, ube ne-decent game overall, but into engiyibuza yona ukuthi iKaizer Chiefs kusho ukuthi ayikakabi ne-core team yayo, i-team ababhilivela kuyo bona labo coach laba abapromothiwe. Why ngisho kanje? Uqala u-Igataro umuntu una-5 months engadlali, but unomayo uMayo umbeke ebhentshini, umuntu i-confidence yakhe ekhuphukayo laphana ongamthemba ukuthi aqale igame. So I mean banaso i-squad, kusho ukuthi abanaso i-squad. Banalo i-player abangathembela kulo ukuthi okay lo uzosicreate-ela ama-moments of umlingo laphana mekhona egrawundini, abanalo lelo player lelo. Like uya eplayini elilodwa like a few usho ukuthi okay lama-player lawa azokwazi, like they would carry i-Kaizer Chiefs. For example, I think let's just go back a bit kancane. Kaizer Chiefs la bedlala khona sibone ukuthi obani that would carry the team. Like I think I made this example a few days back ukuthi ngakhona uSiphiwe Shabalala, uRenele Thulunyane, different departments, kukhona aboMathoho, oMashamayide, kuyitumele ngikhuni laphana emuva epalini, bebanama-leaders, like every department banama-lead, even nasebhentshini ibhenchi lakhona li-strong, li-powerful overall. So mawubheka overall manje ibhenchi labo li-powerful, ku-questionable ama-players akhona analo ithalente bafowethu, but in terms of athatha i-responsibility ukuthi mina i-team ngizoyisave, njalo i-team mayinid i-hero ngizoba khona, and awudingi umuntu oyedwa or about udinga abantu, collection of ama-players okwazi ukusiza i-team. I don't want to make ama-example ngamanye ama-team, but I think we have to go there. I mean masingaya like senze example nge-Orlando Pirates, abo-Apolisi uyabona ukuthi uphakamisa isandla umjida laphana ku-Orlando Pirates, uMuremi naye wenza kahle, uphakamisa isandla laphana ukuthi okay ngiboneni, and basafika labantu laba ethimini. So and even at the back uSipho Shane unawo ama-moments wakhe, ama-good moments, uMbokazi unawo ama-moments wakhe ukuthi uyakwazi ukuba one of the leaders of the team. And then ku-midfielder banomuntu stop nonsense uNduli, obviously unamaphutha wakhe, but guess what, every department and i-position yakhona iyalwela strong. So i-Kaizer Chiefs iyodlala igame against i-AS Simba. Mina ne-AS Simba lesithandana, they will go into the game bazi ukuthi bayageja labantu laba isikhathi esiningi kakhulu. They will go into the game believing that bangakwazi ukuyiwina le game if bangakwazi nje ukuthola igoli elilodwa, because igoli elilodwa labo linga-change everything bafethu, linga-change everything like ku-match, ngoba bayazi ukuthi these ones mhlawumbe ngeke bakwazi ukukora amagoli, bazowa-create ama-opportunities but they cannot convert those opportunities. Ziyakhala bafethu, hhayi khalwa ngento ey'kanjalo ziyakhala. But-ke speedy recovery to uMayo, this is not a good thing bafethu, ukuthi umuntu alimale avele abe injured, and ukuloni kumele akwazi ukulwela i-team ukuthi i-team maybe ihlale esicongweni laphana. And then ku-Kaizer Chiefs at the same time ulwela ilokhunjana bafethu, ulwela i-contract, i-permanent contract laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. So uzoyithola kanjani i-permanent contract if let's say ulimele? Let's say ulimala long term, it's not a good thing at all for i-Kaizer Chiefs, and enough for yena as an individual ukuthi I mean yeah, it's not looking good. Ngcono ukuthola ukuthi sebamnikile i-contract elong ku-Kaizer Chiefs, uyazi ukuthi usayine 3 years and then sengalimala-ke, but-ke ulimala ungakenzi lutho, it's not good, it's not good. You have to really earn your space laphana ethimini before maybe injury bakhona, because iyaphazamisa kakhulu. Yeah, ngicela ukuyibamba lana okwamanje, Kaizer Chiefs king of the problem. Danko bafethu, ngicela ningakhohlwa bafethu ukulike, ukusubscribe. I think ukusubscribe masingakhulisa ama-subscribers siwafikise 15 or 20,000. I think 20,000 kahle, I think engifuna i-20,000, then yasina something esingakhuluma ngayo, because sokwazi ukuchitha nabanye abantu abafuna ukusithenga, ukusibhaya out kule channel. Danko bafethu.